once again, welcome to Pangaya Cuisines. I'm PJ, your boy, Prince Joseph. And today we're going to make a quick and easy barbecue wings with fries. And that's it. We're going to keep it simple. These are party wings that I just picked up from the store. And we're just going to marinate it really quickly. Now, we have our wings here and we have our fries here. What I'm going to be using is just a simple chef-made seasoning. I made it, my special seasoning. Okay, which I added a bit of chili flakes and salt and some other stuff, which I'm not going to disclose at the moment. And then also we'll add in a little bit of thyme as well. So these are the only two seasonings we're gonna be using today. So I'll just go ahead and add in a little bit of oil. And the reason for adding in the oil is for it to accept the seasoning, since it's a dry rub. This is thoroughly, and I mean thoroughly washed wings. And then what I do again is that I drench it in vinegar, white vinegar, and I let it sit for 5 minutes. And then I just toss it around a little bit and then leave it to sit for an additional 2 minutes. And then I drain it and then I rinse it again with cold water, and that your chicken will be as clean as you need it to be. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna add in our allspice seasoning. Yeah, with this marinade, I'll only leave it in the refrigerator for approximately 20 to 30 minutes before I put it in the oven. Nothing is going to be fried here. Everything is going to be oven baked. Now, I think I'll add in the parsley. Oh, I didn't mention this parsley, sorry. I'm adding just a little bit of parsley and then the thyme. I told you about the thyme, forgot about the parsley. But I'm also going to add a little bit of parsley for garnishing when the chicken is fully cooked. Our chicken is marinating. I would leave it for a little while, as I said, approximately 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and I'll throw it in the oven. Once it's cooked, we'll take it out after, like 30 minutes, when it's halfway cooked, and then we'll add our barbecue sauce to it. All right, now that our chicken is seasoned, I'm gonna put them on the grill here and we'll stick them in the oven. I'm using this large grid. This large metal grid to try to space the chicken out so it cooks evenly and doesn't necessarily touch each other. But I don't know if it's a big enough space to hold all these pieces that I have in here. Not that I have that many, but whoa, perfect number. This looks nice already. So what we're going to be doing now is that we're going to pop it into the oven and wait another 30 minutes. So now our oven is also at 350, and Okay, now our chicken has been baking for 20 minutes. So we now have our oven chips, what you may call fries or whatever. I call it oven chips. So, and it's frozen. So I'm gonna now throw it on the pan. Okay, so now we have our fries on, we're just gonna add a bit of Himalayan salt onto our chips. Okay, now our fries is going into the oven. There you go. Oh wow, this chicken looks good. It looks really nice. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna transfer the chicken into a bowl, and then I'm gonna add my I'm gonna add the barbecue sauce to it, and we'll stick it back in the oven. So let's go ahead, transfer our piece of chicken into a bowl. In no real order, just whichever one I can pick up goes in the bowl. Okay, our chicken is looking a bit golden. It's about 75% done. So now is a good time for me to add in the barbecue sauce, and this is the barbecue sauce. Okay, what's in this? It's an original barbecue sauce. And then the twist is I added sweet chili peppers, the sweet chili pepper sauce, into the original barbecue sauce. And then now I'm gonna mix them together, right? And this gives your wings a unique taste. I hardly make wings with straight up barbecue sauce. I always add a twist to mine. Even if it's store-bought, I still add a twist to mine. There we have it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer it onto the same tray. Okay, so there we go. Pull our tray, toss it onto it. Oh wow. Now I'll spread each wing. Now they can be closer to each other. You can be closer to each other because they have the sauce around them and they need to be in the sauce. So the next stage is that it goes back in the oven for approximately 10 more minutes, and our barbecue wings will be ready. Now that we have both the fries or the chips and our chicken wings all back in the oven, you just have to give them both 15 minutes. The wings should be ready. I'll take the wings out and I'll sit it to cool a little bit, and then after that I'll give the fries a little bit of time to get it to cook evenly as well, and you'll see the final product. Now everything is ready, so I'm going to open the oven and I'm going to take out the chicken wings, and also I'm going to take out the fries so you can see. And then for reasons of less space here, I would put back something in the oven just to keep it warm in there while we begin plating. Okay, these are our fries. This is what our fries look like. Quite nice. So I would spread them out again, and I will put it back in the oven for it to keep warming. And that's our chicken. There we go. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful golden glazed chicken. Wow. I'm loving this. I knew it was gonna be good. I didn't think it was gonna look this good. And also, yeah, let me confess, I tasted one, or I actually ate one, and it's well seasoned. I'll bring closer a plate, and I'll get a fork. They look beautiful, very nice. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Look at our chicken. Very nice. We'll sprinkle a bit of sesame seed. Okay. This is going to be delicious. There we have it. Very lovely. Very, 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 very lovely. Next is, let's just pop this back in the oven, and then we'll get the fries out. Let's get this bowl. We're gonna add a bit of parsley as garnishing for our fries, and I'll add in oregano as well. Okay, so we can get a nice flavor going, a nice mixture of herbs. Let's add more. Put a bit of salt on it. Nice. Now I'll prepare the fries in here. Very, very good. We'll have a bit more parsley sprinkled on it with just a little touch. Now we have our beautiful fries ready to go. That was a second basket of fries. Thank you very much for being here with me. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on all my platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Until I see you the next time, this is Prince Joseph signing out, and I love you. Stay blessed.